How to add keyframes in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up CapCut on a device. Now simply tap on new project. Then select a video and tap on add at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on overlay or any text box. Then add a overlay. Now tap on add. Now adjust the size and position. Now next to the play button, simply tap on the diamond icon. Now simply swipe to the right in the viewfinder. Now adjust the new position. Repeat the same process for a few moments. Now this will automatically add the keyframes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.